Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Gimp tutorial on how to open and import images. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really would appreciate that. So pretty much the first thing that you could do to import images is just drag and drop them onto your Gimp just like that, if that's what you want to do. But if you want to do it from in the app, you just go to File in the top left corner, and then you want to press Open or Open as Layer. So that way when I press Open, it'll go ahead and add another layer to this instead of making a new essentially scene. So let's go ahead and reset that, and let's go to a, not a rotation, let's go to a scale. As you see, if I scale it down, then now I have two of these pictures ready to go. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.